What if your gaming setup reacted to every highlighted moment in your game like this? Well, today's video, man, you pulled up to the perfect one because I'm going to be showing you, man, in this video here, how you can upgrade your full battle station, man, with all of these products, as well as mainly the Govee AI Gaming Sync Box Kit 2, because this product here comes with a bunch of new features that we're going to take a look at together. I'm telling y'all, man, this video right here about to be a lot of fun. Let's get to it.
Cover my face with my hoodie on this cold road, trying to break the bank till my pockets getting more growth. I know you see me coming up where these goals got me shows in the Gold Coast.
Now y'all know me, man. I love a good gaming setup, y'all, with all of the RGB that is humanly possible, all right? At least when it's done right, all right? Now, Govee, man, has quickly become one of the leaders in smart home lighting, and they're now bringing that same level of innovation to gaming setups. Now, inside the box real quick, man, you guys are gonna get the Sync Box itself, the RGB ICW LED light strips, your cables and everything you guys are gonna need in order for you guys to be able to set everything up, your clips or your clamps to be able to go around the actual TV or your monitor, and then you're gonna get your alcohol prep pads to be able to kind of wipe everything down prior to actually installing the lights onto your TV or your monitor. All right, so now that you guys have seen pretty much everything you guys are going to get in the box that you see here on the table, I want to go ahead and walk you guys through just how easy it is to be able to set this whole thing here up, and just me setting it up to my TV and my monitor here behind me. But first, before we do that, I want to actually walk you guys through the AI box here. Now, when it comes to the box here, we get a Type-C out port. This is what we actually going to use to plug in the light strip to, and then we also get an HDMI out as well. This is what we're going to plug in directly to our TV or our monitor that you guys may be using. And then we have 4 different HDMI inputs. So this is where you guys are going to plug in your PS5, you're going to plug in your Xbox console, you're going to plug in your Apple TV, your Nvidia Shield, whatever you guys use in order to be able to display or output anything. You want to be able to plug that right into one of these 4 input ports. And then we also have our power port here. Now, setup here, y'all, is pretty straightforward. Now, one of the first things I like to do is pretty much just wipe the back of my TV down. Again, if you guys are installing this to a monitor, I recommend you guys do the same. And then from there, you just pretty much plug everything up. You connect it through the Govee Home app by pairing with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. And then from there, you're going to calibrate the lighting to fit your personal monitor or your TV in my case. Then you can adjust the brightness, you can adjust the saturation, as well as the sensitivity to your own liking. So that way you guys can basically be able to customize it to your own personal liking or just to your own personal experience. And then last, man, don't forget to enable AI identification mode for the most accurate effects that you guys can get with this entire system. Now, within my setup, man, I actually already have 2 Govee products that are the light bars that you guys are seeing right here, that's been in my setup here for over at least 2 years now, that are solid and I haven't had any issues with. And then I also, on top of that, I have some outdoor lights that I use to be able to light up my house here at night. So it was actually dope that Govee decided to reach out to me, man, and said they wanted to work together, because I was like, listen, I already use the products that I spent my own money on. So this collaboration right here, it just fit perfectly. So if you guys own any other Govee products, you can also use the dreamview to be able to sync your entire room together. So let's say you guys have your light strips, you have lamps, or even floor lights. Everything will react together in sync in real time. I'm telling y'all, man, it's pretty dope, like you guys can see right here. Now, the next thing I want to do here is just kind of put you guys up on game to some of the key features before we actually get into some real live gameplay that I want to show you, all right? Now, the sync box here, man, it fully supports HDMI 2.1, which means that you'll get 8K at 60 hertz, you know, if you got it like that. Or for most of us out here, you guys can get up to 4K at 144 hertz if your monitor or your TV allows for it. And that is with VRR and ALLM for some butter smooth gameplay, all right? So that means if you guys are PS5 gang or you PC gang, man, you don't have to worry about losing any level of performance, which to me is so clutch when it comes to this device right here. And y'all know me, man, I'm PlayStation gang to the core, but if you are PC gang, then you can also hit those high numbers as well. Now, the next thing I actually want to talk about with you guys, man, and that is the AI powered lighting effects. Now, to me, this is what really sets this entire kit here apart from from the rest, and that is the AI Cognitive Glow. So how this actually works is, like you guys are seeing right here, it will analyze your gameplay in real time and adapt lighting effects to exactly what's happening on the screen. So imagine, right, if you're somebody that's out there that's going crazy in Call of Duty Warzone, right, you just getting all of the kills, all right? The light will explode in sync with all of the action that's actually happening in the game in real time. So if you guys are cooking in the game, then your lighting effects is gonna look so dope, man, and it's gonna match as well as sync to everything happening in real time with all of the lights that you guys have set up and sync to this box right here, all right? Or let's say you guys are in a cinematic style game. The room in itself will glow with the environment of what's happening on the screen, and I'm telling y'all, man, it just looks so dope to be able to just immerse yourself into the game like no other. I'm telling y'all, man, it is unlike anything that I've ever experienced when it comes to gaming, all right? Right now, y'all, there are over 30 plus game-specific lighting effects, but Govee, y'all, keeps adding more and more to this library, and it's going to expand to over 40 this year, which is just super impressive. Now, I think it's safe to say we got to talk about just how good the lighting quality is, right? Because I do feel like this is going to be important. Now, when it comes to the Govee light strips, these right here aren't just your typical normal average LED strips that you can buy wherever, right? Govee don't use what everybody else is using, which is one of the reasons why I gravitated to them personally, because they are just not copying and pasting from what other people are using or just what other people are doing within the game and lighting space. They use RGB ICW strips with over 75 beads per meter, which is actually the highest density in the industry. So I know you guys are probably sitting there, you're like, yo, CKid, listen, I hear what you're saying. It sounds good, but what does all of that even mean? So think of it just like this. These lights here is going to be much brighter. It's going to be way more vibrant with colors compared to, you know, most of the competitors that are out there. And with the dreamview, you guys can link up multiple Govee lights to create a full room reactive experience like you guys are seeing right here within my own personal setup. And when the lights begin to just sync and just glow around my gaming setup, y'all, it just pulls you all the way into the game or whatever you guys are playing, which for me is exactly what I was actually hoping for that they did. So Govee, man, solid job, bro. Now, the next thing we got to talk about, and I feel like is important, and that is the value of what you guys are getting. Now, to me, this is honestly the best part about this entire setup because it is an all-in-one solution where you guys get the sync box in itself, you get your light strips, you get all of the cables and everything that you guys are going to need in order to get this set up, and the app is free in order for you guys to be able to connect everything. Compared to what others out there, you're pretty much stuck trying to piece together everything just to achieve this exact setup. This kit right here, man, is probably one of the most cost-effective setups in the market for your wallet, and it is convenient too, all right? Which was actually part of the reason why I personally chose Govee in the first place before they even sponsored this video with some of the other lights that I have, and that is because they just cost efficient for me. I could get the look that I wanted without actually having to break the bank, and this setup right here is literally no different, all right? So definitely make sure you guys check out the links that I will have for you guys down below if you are interested, and then, you know, you like what you see. All right, y'all. So this next part, man, is the fun part. This is the part where I actually want to show you guys some real live gameplay demo, so that way you can get a feel for exactly what it would look like within your own setup. Let's go. Bro, just look at the lights. All right, so as I continue to play here, man, you guys can see with my lights actually turned off just how good it looks and just how responsive it is with my gameplay. I just feel like I've been missing out with gaming by not having this set up in the past. It just makes things just way more immersive, and it really draws you into the game, especially when I'm playing my fast-paced shooter style games, just how the flashes sync with every kill and explosion that happens within a game. In RPG style games, the room in itself, the mood, it just shifts with the story that you guys are playing, again, drawing you more and more into the game. Like, it's the kind of effect you don't really appreciate until you fully try it out for yourself, which is why I'm telling you guys, check the link below, man, because I'm telling y'all, this is This is unlike anything I've ever experienced. Now let's go ahead and talk about some of the pros here when it comes to having this here within your own setup or within your own space. You're getting HDMI 2.1, which supports high refresh rates. You're also getting AI powered reactive lighting like you guys are seeing right here. You're getting the light strips that are super bright, as well as the colors are more accurate, which is also impressive. And then when it comes to being cost effective versus the competitor, it's a no-brainer, especially for everything you guys are getting within this one kit. You're going to want to check out the price for yourself down in the description below. And the last thing that I almost forgot to mention, and they kind of have a little sticker right here on the back of it or the bottom of it, and that is it works with Alexa. It also works with Google Assistant, which y'all know I'm Google Assistant gang over here. And the box in itself is mounted and enabled, so it will work with smart home systems, which is clutch. So overall, right, who is the Govee AI Gaming Sync Box Kit 2 really for? I would say, man, in my personal opinion, I think it is perfect for those competitive style gamers out there who wants every match that they hop into to feel electric, all right? Or for my streaming homies out there who want the setup to stand out from the rest, or just somebody out there who just building out their own immersive gaming setup or their battle station. This is a product you're definitely gonna wanna check out. You're gonna wanna make sure you add all of this here to your cart, because one thing I can say is that it definitely makes your gameplay feel way more immersive than it does without having it, all right? So if interested, man, again, I'll have a direct link for you guys down in the description section below. Thanks again to Govee, man, for sponsoring today's video. See y'all in the next one. Happy gaming, squad, we out. I'm about to get back to my gaming. Let me grab my box.